Hey everybody, I wanted to take a brief moment and thank everybody who has subscribed to the channel. For subscribing, the channel has now hit over 100 subscribers. It's not much in the world of like YouTube or anything, but it is a milestone that I wanted to at least acknowledge. As you see here, actually working on the video, on the new video that I'm going to be placing. You see, channel hit 100 subscribers, over 100. Probably happened sometime around May. It's just been a couple of months. This video, the next one's coming out in August. Just life happens, but I just wanted to thank everybody that subscribed, and hopefully I keep making content that entertains you. Thank you. How's it going, everybody? It's me, Ashley, the Weekend Hero, and we're back in my garage today. Today, working on some Power Wheels. I know if you guys seen my videos in the past, every time I work in the garage, there's like quite a bit amount of Power Wheels in the garage. I just pick them up, normally bulk pickup when people throw them out. There's usually nothing wrong with them. Most of their problems lie with the batteries. People, batteries die out and they can't get recharged, and people will be like, oh, well, that goes the life of that, and don't try to repair them. Yes, they come with like scuff marks and damages, or some of them just live out in the sun. That's why you see, like, that's the original color of this Power Wheel, but here in Florida, they'll just like they'll be left outside and get all, disgusting. But a nice little wipe down. I could give them a paint job. Like this one used to be pink. This used to be a Barbie Jeep, which I painted blue because my kid drives it, but he crashes it a lot, which is why you can see the pink coming. So that being said, how do I get them to work? Most of the problems lie in the batteries. I have an assortment of batteries here. I'm gonna explain what I do. This is regular Power Wheel battery right here. As you see, this is what they come with. I wouldn't buy one of these batteries because they're worth like 60, 70 bucks after tax. I usually buy these $20 batteries that have the same capacity. The way you check is easily, it's a 12 volt battery right there, 9.5 amp hour. I just get these, where are they? 12 volt, 9 amp batteries, and hook up these adapters that I buy on Amazon for 13 bucks. And it comes out to be like a total of 30 bucks. And the test I'm doing is, I finally figured out, you don't actually have to buy, I wanted to stop buying these red 12 volt batteries, because there's one, I have to buy them. Two, I'm still buying these connectors, mainly because I don't want to purchase or 3D print this and cables. This nice packaging, it's only 13 bucks, not worth my time. What I wanted to show is this cool thing, which I found in Thingiverse. Somebody managed to make a model which is printable, and yes, these are two pieces held by a zip tie, that's no problem. But if it has an odd shape, it's because it accepts my drill. So it's a drill adapter, so I can connect my drills to it, my drill batteries. And that's cool because of one thing. Now I can buy these little battery clips, which I can clip to this mold. You'll see them right there. That's one, the other one. And I can plug in my battery. And now I have an 18 volt battery solution. We're gonna test the one I normally buy, a 12 volt lead battery. We're gonna test my 18 volt battery. And last but not least is I'm gonna test this one, which is a 20 volt battery that I made. So I made this little jumper cable.
Hello.
And what this does is I'm taking two 12 volts right here and making it 24. So essentially, if you connect a positive and negative between these two batteries, you're gonna get the output of them added, right? And to prove that, you'll see right here, I got a voltmeter. You wanna help me out with this?
Yeah.
All right, so I'm gonna disconnect this one. I want you to touch the black one here and the red one here. Okay, ready? So you'll see here it says 12.6 or something. Perfect. So now when I connect this and this one, let's make sure I click it up, connect. it perfectly. There you go. You separate them. Hold one in each hand. Touch the black one there and the red one over here. Okay? The metal pieces, okay? Go ahead, touch them. Oh, there's another one up. Sorry. Go ahead. You got it? Hold it there. Notice how this now becomes, when he places both of them, it's 25 volts. Double. Alright, so the way I'm going to conduct this test is I'm going to take my wife's phone, download a GPS app, have him, we'll put the Power Wheels battery in his quad bike, have him go up and down the street, record speed, then go with my 18 volt from my drill, and then finally try the 24 volt one. Hopefully it fits inside the quad bike. All right, let's do it. All right, so this is equivalent to the Power Wheel battery. It's 12 volts. I'm gonna hook this up and test speed. Here is, it's at 0. We're gonna hit the start button. I'm gonna place it in here.
Ready.
Ready, set,
Yeah.
go. Hold up.
4.
All right. We measured a max of 4 miles an hour. All right, let's pause it. Let's try the next battery. Up next.
It's
sorry.
the other Power Wheel.
Yep. Up next we have the 18 volt battery for my drill. Let's put it on.
And start to back the engine.
Speedometer is set to 0. I'm gonna start it.
Ready for attack. Attack.
Hold up. Ready,
Jay.
set, go. All right, let me check the speed.
60%.
It only got to 6. I don't know if this is good. All right, 6.
Rum.
All right, we're gonna test the last configuration, which is two 12 volts together. We're gonna start the timer again.
Ready, Dad. Vroom.
Okay, ready,
Yeah.
set, go. Stop. Stop.
It was my slow.
Oh man. Oh man, that was scary. Wait, alright, so I had to switch apps because the other one stopped working. That's why it's a bit darker. But there's the 24 volt battery in there right now. So let's hit start trip. Alright, so there it is. It's started. I'm gonna place it back here.
Ready?
Alright, Sebastian, remember, around the cone and come back. Ready,
Yeah.
set, be careful, go.
I'll try again.
Come on.
Did I do good?
Let me see. That was a max speed of 9 miles an hour. Alright, so yesterday got pretty dark. We got to test the 24 volt, but it got so dark I couldn't see very well. It's the next day. I'm going to put back the 24, but this time we're going to have fun. We already saw how fast it goes. Let's see how fun it is to drive. Alright, so got some walkie-talkies so he can listen to me when he's far. He's gonna test.
Walkie-talkie.
We got another walkie-talkie. You're gonna drive that way, okay? Because it's empty on this side of the road. So I'm gonna place the camera right here. Ready?
Yeah.
Set. Hold on with both hands, okay? It's gonna go fast. Go. Turn around. Turn around. Yeah. Wait, go a little bit into the middle of the street and see if you can do donuts.
Donuts?
Yeah, so
You mean...
oh god, this is so cool.
Do the donuts again?
You want to do donuts? Do donuts. Go.
This thing is right by itself.
Do not let go of the wheel, please. All right.
Wait.
You think that is a successful test?
Yes.
All right. We got to take it inside the garage now because I think you're wearing out the tires.
Let me see.
Yeah. All right.
Let's try this one.
That was a success.
Smoke. This
All right,
can
so
really goes
This
fast.
one, he wants to try the quad bike. I'm not sure if this is a good idea, so I put his helmet on. He has his walkie-talkie strapped to his shirt. Don't hit the fast mode, okay?
I'm not doing fast.
Not yet. Come out, bring it to the street.
Now can I go fast?
Try going slow and then go fast.
Can I go fast?
Now. Turn around. Careful. All right, so that was a success. He had a bunch of fun. The car does go way faster. Cool thing about it is because they have the Power Wheels charger, I can use the regular charger for a normal Power Wheel. Took a thing. I can use this charger, which I use to charge my regular car batteries. Or you can buy these cool things that you can buy for like $7 to power Power Wheels that power all 3. That's very cheap. So obviously I don't have to do that for my drills because I have a place over there where I charge my drills. Again, thanks for watching. I'm Ashley, the Weekend Hero. I gotta thank Sebastian, who's over there, for helping me record the video. If you like what you see, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Stay in touch. Ring that bell notification. That's the little bell at the bottom if you want to be notified whenever I put a new video out. Thanks for watching.